Okay, here we have Alex, kettlebell champion from Mother Russia. He's going to get going. He's going to do jumping, one arm, clean, and press king. Move back a bit so I can get you some more. Move back. Can't get all of you. You're too big. Big, giant cosmonaut. Okay. Assassin workout. Continue. Other side. Yes. Very good. That kettlebell, it says 20 pounds, but really it's 120 pounds. Specially made. See the rope behind him. This was training, climbing, so he can climb cliffs and things. Alrighty, what? You finished? Okay, running on spot now, comrade. No time for drink. Come on. Drinking is for pussycats. Very good. Knees up, comrade. Very good ski. Oh, we should set timer. What do you say, comrade? All right, continue.